Thinking about purchasing Kreateable? Here's everything you need to know before making that decision. While this generative AI software has its perks, we'll break down key points to help you determine if it's the right fit for your business, especially when compared to its competitors. The first thing to consider is the pricing model. Kreateable offers subscription plans, which can be appealing for some businesses. But if you're only looking for occasional use, this could quickly become costly compared to pay-as-you-go platforms. For those looking for scalability, other platforms may offer more flexibility in terms of pricing for growing businesses. Next thing, ease of use. Kreateable aims to simplify content creation, but like many generative AI tools, there's a learning curve. For those new to AI-based software, this might be a challenge. If you're already familiar with similar platforms, it could be easier to navigate, but the setup and initial learning process may take more time than expected. The third thing, customization. Kreateable allows some level of customization, but not to the extent that some other advanced generative AI tools provide. If your business needs highly tailored outputs, you might find it lacks the flexibility of competitors, which allow for deeper integration with your brand's style and tone. Next thing, support. While Kreateable offers customer support, there are reports of slow response times and limited resources compared to other AI services in the market. When compared to competitors that offer 24/7 support or larger knowledge bases, this could be a limitation for time-sensitive needs. The fifth thing is about integrations. Kreateable does integrate with a few third-party applications, but if you rely heavily on connecting multiple platforms, you might find its options a bit limited. In contrast, some competitors offer robust integrations with popular CRM and marketing tools, which can streamline workflows much more seamlessly. The sixth thing to note is the software's scalability. Kreateable is great for small to medium-sized businesses, but it might not be as suited for large-scale operations. If you're a larger business, you might hit roadblocks as your needs grow, while other AI platforms provide more scalability to support enterprise-level operations. The seventh thing is the AI's learning curve. While it does generate content effectively, it's not always as refined as more established competitors. Some AI services have a more polished, intuitive experience, whereas Kreateable still needs refinement in its natural language processing to produce high-quality, contextually aware content. Next thing, automation features. Kreateable automates many processes like content generation and review acquisition, but it lacks some of the advanced automation options found in other software. If you need something more hands-off, you might want to look at alternatives that offer more comprehensive automation tools to save time on repetitive tasks. The ninth thing is the speed. Kreateable performs tasks relatively quickly, but it's not the fastest out there. If speed is critical for your business, competitors might offer better options with quicker processing times, especially when dealing with high-volume tasks or urgent projects. The 10th thing is user reviews. Kreateable generally receives positive feedback for its ease of use, but some users report limited functionality and slower than expected updates. In comparison, some competitors consistently roll out new features, keeping them at the cutting edge of generative AI technology. Next thing, security and privacy. Kreateable offers security features, but you'll want to check that they meet your specific business requirements. Competitors often provide more comprehensive security protocols for businesses handling sensitive data, giving them a slight edge in terms of trustworthiness. The 12th and final thing is the trial. Kreateable offers a 7-day free trial, which is a great way to test out its features without commitment. However, it's worth noting that some other platforms offer longer trial periods or more comprehensive demos, giving you a better chance to evaluate whether the software aligns with your needs. So, is Kreateable a good option? Yes, it can be a solid choice for businesses that need a simple, cost-effective generative AI tool. However, if you're looking for more features, better support, or a more customizable experience, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free. It could be the right fit for your growing business.